Well, I think the Cohen Foundation really is a great example of a foundation that really cares about the health and well-being of the communities that they're trying to serve.
It's more than philanthropy that they provide. It really is a sort of a lifetime commitment to making things better for kids.
Put the kids on a pedestal. The kids are what's important. We're here to help you provide the best care you possibly can for the children. And that's what's important.
My experience working with the Cohen Foundation has been wonderful. Like, I have Alex's cell number, so I can just get on the phone and call her.
My relationship with the Cohen Foundation is really a relationship with Alex. We actually have similar tastes, so we both like to cook. And we always usually start with a joke or a recipe. So we always try to outdo each other on the recipes.
When you come up with an idea that really will impact kids, you can kind of see the wheels turning as to how they can make an impact by giving towards these kinds of ideas.
It's more than philanthropy that they provide. This is something that they've given birth to that they're incredibly, incredibly proud of.
They want to come and they want to see everything, and it's a partnership. And it's not just a funder, but it's a partnership. And they have such a major interest in children and health that is really unique.
When we developed this pediatric emergency department, it was all about the kids. And everything in that emergency department revolved around putting the child first.
Communities that have children's hospitals get a level of care that most community hospitals can't match. The Cohen gift is going to allow us to develop that type of emergency department in a community hospital, which is very unusual.
It allowed us to build a world-class addition to our existing hospital.
We have a new pediatric emergency department that didn't exist before, completely separate, distinct area, which is absolutely gorgeous, which is patient-friendly, service-oriented, clinically oriented. That is, in my view, the best in this region.
The Cohen Foundation helps us see young people and grow and see more. And every young person that comes here, their lives get a little better, every single one of them, and some of them, their lives get transformed.
We didn't have room for our antepartum patients. Antepartum patients are patients who have problems before they deliver, and a fair number of them have to be admitted to the hospital under close observation. We didn't have room on our labor floor to do that. With their help, we were able to enlarge our labor floor, create more beds for women having babies, and create a unit for these antepartum patients, which was critical for improving the quality of care.
A gift to build an emergency department in a community that is fundamentally considered underserved is the best gift of all.
I still hope that with preventative medicine and with all the things the Cohens are doing to help keep children and adults healthy, you won't end up in the hospital. But if you have to end up in the hospital, there's nothing wrong with having the best hospital in the United States smack in the middle of the city of Stamford.
We have patients who come in who are playing with the stuff in the waiting room, and they get seen and they go home, and before they leave they say to their parents, "Can I come back tomorrow?" I mean, that's really special.
When we had the Hurricane Sandy, a lot of patients from other hospitals actually ended up coming to Mount Sinai. And we were bursting at the seams, but we had expanded our floor at that point from the Cohen gift. And Alex actually came afterwards, and she walked on the floor and everybody started clapping. It was really pretty powerful.
There was one word I could use to describe Steve and Alex's commitment to the caring of children. It would be compassion.
Helping.
Consistency.
Transformative.
Generosity.
Kindness.
It's love.
It's love.
Bolognese. Because she thinks she makes a better bolognese sauce than I do, and she doesn't. So I'm pointing, you can tell her that.